What's up, guys? So just finished shooting that video. You probably already saw it drop on the 2023 1290 Adventure R. Man, it's right here in front of me. What an amazing bike. This thing is just so sick, guys. I hope that maybe at some point in my life when I have a little more free time, I can, get into something like this and really travel, put in the miles, and see the sights. What an amazing machine. But what I want to talk about today is something that there's been a few nasty videos put out on lately, and I want to kind of set the record straight, tell you guys what I think about this new KTM demo mode. So in the last few years, a lot of these manufacturers have came out with this optional software upgrades, stuff. So basically what this is you buy the bike and it's got functions, whether it be mechanical, electrical, software, whatever. It's got functions built in, but to activate them you have to buy the software pack. And it's kind of like subscription models for other services we use. That's just the way things are going now. What will KTM tell you? They will tell you that this allows them to keep MSRP down a little bit by making some of these things optional. I can't tell you, that's not my realm. I can't tell you if that's true or not or what, but I will tell you that in the past it's been a little bit, a little bit blurry for me, because if I buy this bike, and I look at these optional things you can buy, like adaptive brake light, rally pack, hill hold control, motor slip regulation, quick shifter plus, in the past you've been able to buy that all separate. There's been a couple different pack options. With the Adventure S, there's a suspension option, but you kind of don't know what you're gonna like and dislike. So it's kind of like it's a crapshoot. You buy it, well, you never use it. I didn't need that, whatever. Well, KTM has came out with a demo mode, and what that does, as far as I understand, is that's going to give you options to all the software upgrades, all the software packs, the tech pack, whatever, right off the bat with the bike brand new. And then after I think it's 1500, maybe it's 1800, something like that. After that mileage, you lose it. And I've seen so many videos, some by regular customers, some by some bigger YouTubers on here that are so mad about that, like just saying that KTM is basically selling us a bike with all these features and then taking them away. And it's really not the case. They're actually stepping up to do the consumer better than they have in years past, because in years past you had to buy the software before you could even experience it to know if you wanted it. Now you can experience the software, try it all out in the first 1500 miles or whatever, and decide what you want to keep. I mean, how in the world is that not a better deal than just guessing at what you might want and buying it and being stuck with it? I don't know. I will say that if you're spending this kind of money on a bike, you just need to get the tech pack, and on the S you just need to get the suspension pack, or any, whatever pack for your model comes with everything. Just get it. I think the tech pack for this bike is $749, I believe. Get it at the time you purchase it, finance it in. It's not going to change your payment much, and you're gonna have so many cool modes. You're not going to regret getting that tech pack. But I just want to let you guys know, I for one think that KTM took a step forward this year in bridging that gap, and showing some faith to consumers to let them experience these modes in the demo mode instead of just making them guess. So a lot of people are upset about it. The only thing I'm upset about this new 1290 Adventure is this little cubby hole right here, because it's way too small for a phone or GoPro or anything like that. I'd like to see a bigger box somewhere that I could actually put something in besides just the key fob. But I do like being able to put the key fob in this box, better than having the key fob up here in the column. that kind of always freaked me out. So I am glad this box is here. I just wish they could somehow make it bigger, or maybe wider, but not as, you know, not as deep, but wider, or something like that, to where you could fit a cell phone, a set of keys, and you know, something like that in. So yeah, it's pretty sweet, guys. That's my thoughts on the demo mode. But what are your thoughts on the demo mode? Leave your thoughts on the KTM demo mode down below. And if you appreciate these videos and listen to me ramble, then just grab your adventure parts from AOMC.mx via the first link in my description. Appreciate you guys. I'm Ryan with the MXG channel on AOMC. I'll see you in the next video.